Hey everyone, welcome back to the garage. This will be a short video. I have made some job changes. If you've seen my video, I've started a small machine shop. I've decided I'm going to change the name of my channel here. My boss man, I don't cover no names, ain't gonna say it. We had some texts back and forth, and there were some comments made, and out of one of those comments, after I thought about it, I thought, I need to change the name of my channel because I'm going to a machine shop setup. Johnny Black's Garage is going to change names. I'm no longer a mechanic. I'm not really working on buses. I have got a new job. And I'm starting this machine shop, like I said. I'm thinking changing the name to something that's in that text I got. As you notice, the name is going to be Hillbilly Customs. I got a derogatory remark made about being hillbillyish, and I thought, that fits. I'm going to use it. So from this point on, Johnny Black's Garage is now Hillbilly Customs. We're going into the business. We're going into the backyard business, I guess you can say. Not a real business yet. But we're fixing to try to make a little side money when I get all this set up and everything working right. You've seen the machine come on. I'm doing a little work with it. Got my old jet lathe going. Done some work on it. Yeah, I've got to get some stuff out of this shop because it's full. I know. I'm having to walk around stuff. You'll now know the same person, the same content is on Hillbilly Customs that was on Johnny Black's Garage. New name, little different stuff. Not much. I do a lot of machining on the other channel, a lot of building. Just not as much mechanic work. We'll still work on old tractors and plows and stuff like that. I just thought I'd let everybody know. Y'all have a good week.